Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vivek Mathematics Classes. Today we are going to start with quadratic equation.
Today we are going to start with our quadratic equation. So before quadratic equation, we should know polynomial. What is polynomial expression? Polynomial expression. This we know from basic classes. Polynomial expression. What is polynomial expression? Any expression written in the form of an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on. At the last, let's say a1x plus a naught. This is known as polynomial expression, okay, of degree n. This is known as polynomial expression of degree n, where an naught should be 0. An should not be 0. Then it is known as polynomial expression of degree n. Polynomial expression of degree 1 n. Degree n. So here an value should not be 0. If an will be 0, then it will become polynomial expression of the degree an minus 1 or n minus 1, sorry. Okay, so same like this quadratic expression, we can say if degree of the polynomial expression will be 2, then it will become quadratic expression, like ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c. It is what? It is a polynomial expression of degree 2. Polynomial expression of degree 2. Of degree 2. So this will be your quadratic expression. So if you have taken polynomial expression of degree n, so how many roots should be there? Zeros or roots, and roots should be there. So for quadratic expression, there should be 2 roots. Okay. So next thing is polynomial equation. What will be polynomial equation? If this thing, if you write this polynomial expression, if you write equal to 0, it will become equation. So what will be your polynomial equation? Polynomial equation. So this will be in this format: an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 plus and so on. At the last, a1x plus a naught equal to 0. This will be your polynomial equation. Same like this, if you want to write quadratic equation, so that will be, what will be your quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. So what will be that? It will be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here also a should not be 0. If a will be 0, then it will become a linear equation. Next. Yes. What is quadratic equation? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation. Here a should not be 0. Coefficient of x square. A is known as coefficient of x square or leading coefficient. What about b? B is known as coefficient of linear term, and c is known as absolute term or constant term. So this is your quadratic equation. Next, roots of a quadratic equation. How to find roots of quadratic equation? So for this we have 2 methods. First one is factorization method. Second one, formula method. I will write the formula for the quadratic equation. So if you have given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So for this equation, how many roots will be there? 2 roots, because it is degree is 2. So let's let's say roots are alpha and beta. So what will be the roots? Roots will be x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. From here two roots will go, we will get one from plus sign, other from minus sign. And this thing, this b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. D. So in place of this b square minus 4ac we can write d. So what will be our formula? X equal to minus d plus or minus root of d divided by 2a. We know all the things where a is known as coefficient of x square, b is known as coefficient of x, or and c is known as constant term or absolute terms. Okay. So this is the method to find roots of a quadratic equation. Two roots will be there, one let's say alpha, other will be beta. Relation between roots and coefficient. So what is the relation between roots and coefficient? So let's say for this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have two roots alpha and beta. So what will be your sum of roots? Sum of roots will be, there are two relations, sum of roots and product of root for this. Sum of roots. So what will be your sum of roots? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta value will be how much? Minus b by a. Minus b by a. What is b here? B is known as coefficient of x or linear coefficient. So what is this? Minus coefficient of x divided by, what about a? A is known as coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Now next thing is product of root. Product of roots. So what will be your product of roots? Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta value will be c by a, where c is known as constant term or absolute terms divided by a is known as coefficient of x square. So constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. So these are the relation between roots and coefficient. Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. Alpha into beta will be c by a. Now if you have given for this quadratic, if you have given roots of a quadratic equation as alpha and beta, so how to find quadratic equation? So let's say roots are given as alpha and beta. For which equation? General form will take ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For this roots are alpha and beta. So if we divide this equation by a, so what we will get? We will get x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Now what is this b by a? This b by a is minus times of alpha plus beta. So I will write here x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus, what about this c by a? Alpha into beta, product of roots. So this will be alpha into beta equal to 0. So this will be our quadratic equation formed by the roots alpha and beta. This one we can write like this also, x square minus sum of roots multiplied by x plus product of roots equal to 0. So this will be your quadratic equation formed by the roots alpha and beta. Next thing. So here you have given one example. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so find the value of, first part they are asking alpha square plus beta square. Okay. So we have given for this equation what will be the alpha is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let's say I will take roots are alpha and beta. Roots are alpha and beta. No, they have given roots are alpha and beta. So what they are asking? They are asking alpha square plus beta square. We know one formula, alpha plus beta whole square. What is the formula for this alpha plus beta whole square? Alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Here we need to find alpha square plus beta square. Other thing will bring to other side. So what they have given? We will get alpha square plus beta square will get as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So we will substitute the values. What is the alpha plus beta value? What will be your alpha plus beta from here? Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. And what about alpha into beta? That will be c by a. So we will substitute here. This will get minus b by a the whole square minus 2 times of c by a. So what you will get alpha square plus beta square? This will get as b square minus b square by a square minus 2a by c. So if you take LCM, 2c by a, 2c by a. So if you take LCM, you will get a square will be LCM. Here b square minus 2ac. This will be your value of alpha square plus beta square. B square minus 2ac divided by a square. Next, second part. Second part they are asking alpha cube plus beta cube. Same. Here also we know one formula. Alpha plus beta whole cube. What is the formula for this? Alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha into beta. So we need to bring alpha cube plus beta cube. Other thing will bring to left side. So we will get alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta multiplied by alpha plus beta. So we know all the values. What is our alpha plus beta? Minus b by a whole cube minus 3 times of c by a into minus b by a. So what you will get here? Minus b cube divided by a cube minus plus 3bc divided by a square. So again if you take LCM will be a cube. Here you will get minus b cube plus 3abc. So you will get alpha cube plus beta cube you will get as 3abc minus b cube divided by a cube. Okay. So next, third part. They are asking alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. So for this alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, we can write as alpha square plus beta square. So what will apply the formula? We will apply alpha square plus beta square the whole square. A plus b whole square formula. What will be formula? Alpha square plus 2 alpha square beta square plus beta square. So we need to find alpha square plus beta square to square. So we will bring to this side. So what we will get? Alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 will get as alpha square plus beta square the whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. So we know this alpha square plus beta square value we know from first part. So what was that value? We will check it. So this was b square minus 2ac by a square. b square minus 2ac by a square. We will substitute here. Okay. So what will be that? B square minus 2ac divided by a square, again whole square, minus 2 times of this alpha square beta square. What can we write? Alpha beta whole square. So c square by a square. This will be your answer or alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power. We can simplify further if you want. So next, fourth part what we have given. They are asking fourth part as alpha minus beta whole square. Okay. So what is the formula for alpha minus beta whole square? Alpha minus beta whole square will be alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So I will write this one like this: alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now we know this thing, alpha square plus beta square we know from first part. What was that? B square minus 2ac divided by a square and minus this 2 alpha beta, so 2 times of c by a. So again if you take LCM, you will get a square will be the LCM. Here we will get b square minus 2ac and here minus again 2ac. So this one how much you will get? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac divided by a square. So this will be your value of alpha minus beta whole square. And we know that b square minus 4ac is what? Discriminant also. If you want you can write. Next, fifth one. They are asking alpha to the power 4 minus beta to the power 4. Yes. So this one we can write alpha square the square minus beta square. So we can apply a square minus b square formula. What will be that? A plus b into a minus b. So I will write first a minus b. So alpha square, okay, plus alpha square plus beta square, a plus b. Second bracket, a square minus b square. Sorry, alpha square minus beta square. Okay. So again this alpha square minus beta square, again we can apply alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So what will be that? Alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square, this value we know already. And this one we will write as alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So what will be the alpha square plus beta square? B square minus 2ac divided by a square multiplied by alpha plus beta was how much? Minus b by a, minus b by a. And what about alpha minus beta? From fourth part we got alpha square, alpha minus beta whole square. So from that alpha minus beta we can write square root of this. What will be that? Root of b square minus 4ac divided by a square. Okay. So I will write as root of b square minus 4ac divided by square root of a square will be a. So this will be our answer. We can multiply, we will get the answer.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.